Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can download Power BI. There are two very popular methods to download Power BI. First search for Power BI. You will click on Power BI desktop. Once you click on that, you will be on this page. I will paste this link in the description as well. If you click on this button, it will take you to the Microsoft Store from where you can download it, or else you can click on this button, see download or language option. First we will see the second method, that is by clicking on this button. If I click on this button, then I will get the details in which language I want it to be downloaded. If I click on download, then I will get which version I have to download. For example, I select this one and then I click on download. So that file will be downloaded for me. Once it is downloaded, I can install it and run it on my system. The second method is to click on this button. It will open automatically that thing in Microsoft Store. From here I can download it as well, or I can directly search for Microsoft Store, open the store and again click on just search for Power BI, from where you can download the Power BI. From all of these Power BI, which one we have to download? We have to download Power BI desktop. We don't have to download these other things. We will download these things later when we go into advanced tutorials, but for now we only need Power BI desktop. If you install it from the store, the benefit will be it will be automatically updated, and it will also install any framework or anything that is related or that is required Power BI to run. It will be automatically installed with Power BI desktop. But if you download it from the website manually and you download the exe file and after that you execute it to run, then maybe you will find some problems if your window is not updated. If you are running an old window version, then in that case you will be downloading those files separately, and after that Power BI will be running on your machine, and still that there will be some problems in updates. So just download the Power BI. I am not repeating the process because I have already downloaded it, and then let's meet in the next video.